Good morning students, welcome back to our SS session. Today we will discuss about our new topic, that is our natural resources, water. Water is an important natural resource. All living things are depend on water. Human beings, plants and animals need water to live. Many plants and animals can live only in water. Water is also very important component of our diet. We also need water for our daily activities like cooking, cleaning, washing, utensils and clothes, etc. Our Earth is called the blue planet. It is because water covers 71% of the Earth's surface. That is 3/4 part of our Earth. This water is present as fresh water and sea water. Out of this, only 3% is fresh water, while the rest is sea water. This is why we must always use water carefully. So, we should not waste water. Seas and oceans are the largest source of water on the earth. Sea or ocean water is salty, thus it cannot be used for drinking. Rain is the main source of fresh water on the earth. Fresh water is present in rivers, lakes, ponds, tanks and wells. This is known as surface water. Some amount of rainwater also seeps deep into the ground and gets stored there. This is called groundwater. It can be taken out by using open wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Uses of water. We use fresh water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and agriculture. Our country mostly depends on the monsoon rainfall for agriculture and other purposes. Agriculture needs a regular water supply. The main source of water on the earth is rain. When it rains in the monsoon, the water resources like ponds, rivers, lakes, etc. fill up with the rainwater. The water thus collected is directed to fields through channels dug in the ground called canals, and is used to water plants and crops. This is called irrigation. Dams. Sometimes strong and high walls are built across a river to stop the water from flowing. These walls hold back the flow of water. Water is stored in artificial lakes, thus formed behind the dams. Dams are also used to generate hydroelectricity, that is, electricity generated from water. For this reason, they are also called multi-purpose projects. Some important dams and multi-purpose projects in India are the Bhakra Nangal Dam built on the Satluj River and the Damodar Valley project on the Damodar River. Students, I hope you understand this topic very well. Thank you.